tonight. Only one that lost tonight is those who didn't turn this on. I introduce to you still our hero and our champion, Manny Pacquiao. Manny, come on up, brother.
Hello everybody. Hope you doing good. And I want to thank you to always supporting with us. And hope you're happy this fight. You make happy this fight. You know?
Any extra pressure with so many of your fans in attendance? Kind of like a home fight.
Yeah, I have a little pressure because I have a countrymen to come here to support, especially the everybody working in the government and government official, and especially the president is here to support, and you know. I have a little pressure, but you know, I did my best.
Manny, compared to Victor Morales, he was too heavy for you tonight? Do you think that was the big difference? He was too heavy for you?
Oh no, it's I think same size Morales, but you know. The problem is I have a cat earlier around, so hit bad, so I can't see the right eyes, so only my left eyes using answer to rods.
Okay, Manny, right here, please. Manny, what impact do you think the gloves made if you were wearing Reyes gloves? Do you think it would have been a different outcome?
I think big difference because you know we're using a winning gloves, but you know supposed to be we're using winning little Reyes, but I don't know that we're winning. We're using our winning gloves.
So, what are your plans? What are your major plans? Are you going back to featherweight or will you stay in super featherweight?
I want to stay in junior lightweight because I like that weight, you know.
This is for you, Freddie. What can you tell us about your family? You were very conference at the press conference in Los Angeles. Tell us about what you meant that could have been your mom.
Well, both guys fought a great fight. It was a great fight to watch. I think we get out of our game plan a little bit early because we wanted to go to the body a little bit more and break this guy down and try to get him out of there late in the fight. And we didn't go to the body enough in the fight. And you know, the winning gloves are like pillows. And I think if we do a rematch and we race and so forth, let's do it again. We'd like to.
I can stay longer here because I want to go to hospital to you know check out my cat. But you know I would like to congratulate the Morales cat. I accept what is the decision because that is a part of the game. You know I would like to thanks to all of you guys, and I would like to thank to HBO and also the promoter, Eminem Sport and Top Rank, and especially the MJ. I would like to thank you to all the media and to all the press, to all my countrymen. Thank you very much to all of you, and God bless you all. See you next time.